In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Acuity Scheduling to Square. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling and payment process, making it easier for both you and your clients to manage appointments and transactions efficiently. Let's get started. First, please open up your browser and head over to the Acuity Scheduling website. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Take a moment to ensure that you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple schedules or businesses. Now that we've accessed the Acuity dashboard, we'll move on to the next step, which is focusing on the payment settings. Look for a section or menu labeled Payment Settings. You'll usually find it under Account Configurations or Business Settings. This is where we'll tell Acuity which payment processor we prefer. Within the payment settings, you'll see a list of available payment processors. Find and select Square as your desired payment processor. Choosing Square is a great option if you prefer its robust features, reliability, and ease of use. Once you've selected Square, Acuity will prompt you to authenticate your Square account. This simply means you'll be connecting your Square credentials to allow integration between the two platforms. This step is straightforward. Just follow the prompts, entering your Square login information to complete the connection. Make sure your Square account is set up with the correct business information and payment methods to avoid any issues down the line. With Square successfully authenticated, you're nearly there. The final step involves configuring your payment settings. You have some decisions to make here based on your business model and client preferences. You can choose whether you want to accept full payments in advance, take deposits, or even allow tips. Each option serves different business scenarios. For full payments up front, it ensures guaranteed revenue, while deposits can secure a time slot without the full commitment. Allowing tips gives your clients the chance to show appreciation for exceptional service. Whichever parameters you select here will define how transactions are handled through your scheduling system. These settings give you the flexibility to tailor how payments are processed and what your clients experience during booking. Once you've made your choices, be sure to save these settings to keep everything in sync. And there you have it. You've now learned how to connect and configure your Acuity scheduling with Square, combining scheduling convenience with seamless payment processing. This setup not only simplifies your workflow, but also enhances client satisfaction, allowing you to focus more on what you do best. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more videos where we dive into additional features and integrations that can optimize your business operations. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.